Random 411 presents.
Alright, this is our first stop in our Oregon trip for 2018. We are here at Sheila's Country Kitchen. Apparently it's good. Milo has been sitting in the car for a long time. Milo, you excited for this breakfast? What are you ordering?
I don't know.
Don't know yet? What do you think? Maybe get some pancakes today?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're excited for breakfast. This is Sheila's Country Kitchen here in Raymond, Washington. Let's check it out. We are checking out the menu for Sheila's Country Kitchen, and that's country with a K. How do you spell country, Milo? Because this is country with a K. There's plenty of items in the menu here, but I think we're gonna go for the special on the board, right, Milo? We got a special on the homemade chicken fried steak for, I don't know how much that is. $11? $11.49. Excited to eat?
Yes, we're hungry.
What are you ordering?
Hungry.
What did you order, Milo?
My French toast.
You ordered French toast. Marisol ordered French toast. Clara, what did you order?
Kids having chocolate milk.
You're having chocolate milk. So we're ready for breakfast. Yeah, what did Riley order?
We're having chocolate.
So he just copies everything, what everybody says. The food is here, and it's the eggs. You get the chicken fried steak. You get some hash browns. It's huge. Hey, Marisol, what do you got there?
Strawberry French toast.
Come on, what'd you order, man?
I ordered some stuffed French toast, same as Marisol. Looks really good.
What's the other one you ordered?
Hearty breakfast, I think. 3 eggs, 3 sausages, and Canadian bacon, and 2 bacons.
Nice. How's the first bite, Marisol?
Very yummy.
Oh yeah?
It's a different car.
Strawberries are sweet.
Trying out the chicken fried steak. It tastes like actual fried chicken. Or smells like actual fried chicken. Let's do this. Wow. That's nice. The gravy's really good. Beautiful. Best thing to do with toast. Stick it into the egg yellow. Get it sauced up. Alright, Milo, how's your food? You like it? You have a selection of food there. You're so quiet. Give me a yummy face. Sarap. I'm trying out some of Marisol's French toast. Apparently it's really yummy. Let's give it a try. Here we go.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy, right? This is really good. Beautiful. I traded food with Marisol. I got the French toast. Don't want to finish it because it's her food. But she won't give her back my food. I got my food back. Enjoying it again. That gravy on that fried chicken is really good. The hash brown, the eggs, toast. Well done. Well done. Hearty American breakfast here at Sheila's Country Kitchen. With a K. How's your food, Clara?
Good.
You were having eggs? What else you got there?
Everything here.
cream, and you get sausage, and you get your chocolate milk. All right.
It was really good. The stuffed French toast was really, really good. Really good cream on top. And the hearty breakfast was not only hearty, but very good. So,
2 thumbs up. Like what Vermont said, the food here is pretty good here at Sheila's Country Kitchen. So yeah, if you're in Raymond, Washington, it's in the middle of Washington on your way to Oregon maybe, come on down to Sheila's Country Kitchen. Did you like your food? Yes or no?
Yes.
You like your food? Yay! So this was Sheila's Country Kitchen here in Raymond, Washington. Definitely a place to visit if you're looking for good food. Definitely breakfast is a must. And yeah, we definitely enjoy the food here in Raymond, Washington. Sheila's Country Kitchen. Till next time.